It doesn't matter where you live. In today's day and age, you can easily buy cash flowing real estate in the cheapest markets in the country from the privacy of your own home. That's the topic of today's show. Let's dive in. All right, investors, welcome to another episode of the Investment Properties for Sale Show. I am your host, James Wise. The cool thing about the Investment Properties for Sale Show and what we do here at Holton-Wise is investors just like you can buy turnkey real estate in the most profitable markets in the entire country, and you could do this from the privacy of your own home. A lot of you are probably watching this video on your cell phone right now. You can literally go from a bystander to a real estate investor just by watching a few quick videos on your cell phone. Make sure you are subscribed to Holton-Wise TV so you can see everything we have to offer. Today, we're going to be offering you a full turnkey rental property. This thing is bringing in close to $1,500 a month, and the price point is under $85,000. And we're going to be able to set you up from top to bottom with everything you need to buy this property. But before I get into that, quickly, I want to talk about a couple things. Number one of the most popular shows we have on Holton-Wise TV is the Tenants From Hell Show. In the show notes, I got a couple links to some of our most popular episodes of Tenants From Hell. Things like evictions, drug use, violence, my sex motel getting caught on fire, evictions happening live, just the nastiest stuff you see in the real estate industry. We put all that out there on full display for you guys so you can learn. But it's not just my stories, it's stories from investors just like you. So I want to send this invite out to anybody who's watching this show right now or anybody who has a friend who also manages rental properties. Doesn't matter where you live, could be Texas, could be New York. I don't really care where your properties are. I want to talk to landlords who've gone through tenants from hell. If you've ever had a really bad situation with a tenant, I want you to come on my show and we'll talk about it. So in the show notes below, we're going to have our contact information, or even better yet, tell you what, go ahead and just post a comment to this video letting me know you have a Tenants From Hell story. Give me the synopsis of what happened, and if the story makes sense for our show, my team will reach out to you and we will schedule you for an interview to come on the Tenants From Hell show and tell your story. The second thing I want to mention real quick, you might notice I'm not wearing a Holton-Wise shirt, I'm wearing an FS Houses shirt. That is a turnkey property management partner of ours. They are down in Indy. I am incredibly high on the Indy market. So quickly, I want you guys to take a look at what those guys at FS Houses are doing down in Indy.
Based in Indianapolis, Indiana, FS Houses is the premier investment property brokerage. With an in-house property management department that can take care of all those unwanted landlord headaches, FS Houses can offer you the complete turnkey solution as well as wholesale properties offered to you at a discounted rate. With a network of thousands of active investors, wholesalers, and brokers, FS Houses can help you sell your property for top dollar on the open market or in a hurry to motivated investors seeking distressed real estate. Visit fshouses.com or call 317-492-9025 for more information on the Indianapolis, Indiana real estate.
Welcome back, guys. Like it said in the commercial, you can reach out to FS Houses. We got all their contact info in the show notes. Take a look at what those guys are doing out there in Indy. I like that market a lot, and I really like that property management vendor. I think those guys are helping investors make a ton of money out there. But you could also make a ton of money in Cleveland, and that is the highlight of today's show. 4219 Bucyrus Avenue, Cleveland, Ohio, 44109. This duplex is a fully turnkey income producing asset. You do not need to do anything. All you need to do is put down a down payment, purchase the property, and cash your rental income checks. We are renting the first unit for $715. The second unit, we are renting that for $740. So if you're doing the math at home, you're seeing we're bringing in $1,455 a month in rent for only $84,900. This is truly some of the best turnkey numbers you can get anywhere in the USA. This is a solid neighborhood. We have hundreds of duplexes in this neighborhood. More or less, the numbers pretty much sell this property itself. So I don't really need to spend much time explaining to you guys why this is a good property. Fans of this show have been grinding their gears looking for deals just like this. So you guys are aware that this deal, it makes sense. So what I want to do right now is I want to talk to those newbies out there who may have never purchased a property from Holton-Wise or never actually watched an episode of Holton-Wise TV. What I want to let you guys know is if you are watching this video and you cannot immediately identify that the cash-on-cash return, the numbers make so much sense here. If you're not aware that $84,900 for $1,455 a month in rent in a C-class neighborhood is a hell of a deal, what I want you to do in the show notes below, I'm going to put a link to some of our episodes of the MLS Search and Analysis Show. In that show, what I do is I allow people like you to bring me your deal, and I'll analyze your deal, and I'll also find you deals on the MLS if the properties on Holton-Wise TV are going too quick for you. Because like this property, guys, as you're watching this right now, I'm expecting at least 10 full price offers on this property. This thing's going to fly. So if I get at least 10 in the first 2 hours, I know there's at least 9 of you that can't buy this property. So I help you guys find more properties on the MLS. We got over 5,000 realtors in the Cleveland market. So that's one reason to watch the MLS Analysis Show. But the other reason to watch the MLS Search and Analysis Show is I break down all the numbers for you. I take the gross rents, I take the purchase price, I take estimated operating costs, and I break it all down, and I teach you guys how to break it down. So when you see properties like this, if you want, I will break the numbers down for you, or you can watch those videos, learn how to do it yourself, and you could break it down for yourself. That's what we do here at Holton-Wise. We take investors just like you who've never got in the game yet. You don't really know what you're doing, and we do it all, top to bottom. If you need lenders, like I said, all you got to do is put down the down payment to purchase this property, and we're pretty much going to do the rest. We'll even give you the lenders. If you need a lender, shoot me an email. I'll send you my list of lenders, okay? They'll write loans to investors just like you, located in all 50 states. From there, we'll sell you the property. We'll handle the property management. We'll hook you up with insurance on the property. We also own an insurance company, and it's an insurance company owned by landlords for landlords. We're not going to try to sell you high-priced policies. We understand you're real estate investors. The bottom line, the cash flow, that is what matters. So we're going to get you some bare bones, cheap policies to allow you guys to keep that cash flow. Title, we got that covered. And eventually, if you ever want to sell the property or 1031 it into something bigger, we'll sell it for you here on Holton-Wise TV in a video just like this one. So if you're ready to get started building your portfolio today, you want to make an offer on this, send me an email, jameswise@holtonwise.com. Again, I expect multiple offers. I'll probably have at least 10 full price offers within an hour or two of this show launching. So make sure you have your proof of funds or your pre-approval letter ready. If you send me that email and you don't include those, your offer's not going to be considered because, again, I'm going to have at least 10 within the first couple hours. So get all your ducks in a row. Make sure you're squared away. If you're one of those noobs out there who's getting the list of lenders from me today, you may not have time to get in and to take this one down, but that's okay. What you need to do now is smash that subscribe button because we are pumping out deals like this every single day. So if you're not fast enough to knock this deal down, there's going to be another one tomorrow and the day after and the day after. We email all of our videos on Holton-Wise TV out to you every single day. So again, smash the subscribe button so you can get the notifications from YouTube. And in the show notes, you can just sign up directly to our mailing list, and we'll send you the videos every day at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. As always, I'm James Wise with Holton-Wise, and this is Real Estate Investing Made Easy.
Cleveland, Ohio is widely considered to be one of the top rental markets in the entire United States. This is because here in Cleveland, our housing prices are low and our rental prices and demand are high. At Holton-Wise, we provide the complete turnkey solution for all real estate investors, whether they are local, out of state, or even abroad. As real estate brokers, we will provide you with agent representation to help you buy properties ranging from single-family homes to large apartment complexes. We even have referrals for lenders who can provide investment property loans to investors located in all 50 states, allowing you to capitalize on the use of leverage or other people's money. We have referrals to top-notch title companies so you know that all of your transactions are safe and secure, with every single property being delivered to you with clear title. Once you close on the property, we have an investor-focused insurance brokerage who can handle all your property insurance needs. This insurance brokerage handles auto, home, life, and business policies, but they specialize in working with policies for landlords. We also have full-service property management. We can handle all rental property advertisements, tenant placement, rent collection, evictions, maintenance, landscaping, construction, and repairs. In addition, Holton-Wise also offers digital media and education. One day, when you are ready to sell your investment, Holton-Wise, as the #1 seller of investment properties in the greater Cleveland area, can market your property in a video just like this one to our worldwide base of investors who are looking to capitalize on the high cash flow opportunities in the Cleveland, Ohio market. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on our latest content, including video tours and analysis of investment properties that are available for sale, real estate investment education, and our most interesting encounters with tenants from hell. Holton-Wise, real estate investing made easy.